Double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herrah has revealed that a series of injuries almost derailed her quest for her first World Championship title. Thompson-Herrah, who turns 31 on Wednesday, clocked 11.24 seconds in her first 100-meter race at the J3's all-comers meet on Saturday. Elaine Thompson-Herrah quelled the nerves of track and field fans when she ran her first 100-meter race of the season at Jamaica College on Saturday, with just under 2 weeks to go before the national championships. Her 11.24-second clocking is modest by her lofty standards, but she put her 100-meter opener into perspective.
People see us on the track all the time, they don't know what's come behind that, and every year for me at our championship, I don't know why World Championship season always seem very challenging for me. I have not changed anything. I'm not doing anything wrong, but it's like a test to see if I can do it or not, and this one has tested me a lot. It tested me last year as well. And I cried most morning. I drove in my car going home, I cried because I see that I'm working hard and I'm not getting the result I want. And I was on the verge to give up, honestly, but God speaks to me and say you cannot give up right now because I take it this far.
Thompson-Herrah, who turns 31 on Wednesday, has World Championships individual silver and bronze medals and is now looking ahead to the national trials.
Honestly, I'm just going there, not expecting the result, just gonna go top 3, not looking at fast time or anything, just wanna make it to the World Championship and then take it from there. But as I said, I'm just here, not knowing why I'm here, but I'm here just to shake out to go to the trials.
The two-time double Olympic sprint champion revealed that a recurring Achilles injury, along with shin splints and a knee injury, threatens to derail her season. She says while those setbacks have hampered her preparation, she's now back in training pain-free, but admits the mental war will be tough.
I'm not used to this, I'm always having little niggles, but not this, where I've not competed. And I'm nervous, honestly, I'm really nervous. But I am talking to myself. I know how to control those nerves, but it's all about to get my body and my mind work together. My body is ready, but I have to get the mind to coordinate. So it's new to me right now, so I have to just, walk with God and have faith and just believe.
The National Senior and Junior Championships will be held from July 6 to 9 at the National Stadium.